Hi, my name is Tashi. Today I'm introduce you three basic Tibetan greeting word. First word is ta shi de leg. Ta shi de leg. Ta ta shi de leg. 这是的嘞，这是的嘞，这是的嘞，这是的嘞。So, 这是的嘞 is the situation where you can use you when you meet someone or when you meet a friend, when you enter a family in Tibetan, or when you meet somebody, you can use this tashi delay as a way of the introduce or like a like a communication, the beginning of the communication between you and the people that you meet in Tibet. So this is the when you use anywhere, when you begin with someone starting a conversation, you can say just delay, and then you can start it introduce yourself. Yeah. So right now I'm going to say it. You can also practice. Just delay, just delay, just delay. Now it's your turn. You can say it. So you need to keep practicing. The second word is 톡지치. 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 톡지치 is just you can say thank you when you got some gift or when you get some kindness from somebody, and you can always say 톡지치. 톡지치. Now it's your turn. You can practice. 톡지치. Yeah. Third word is 카레슈. 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 This is you can say bye to someone, or when you start living, you can say Kalishu. That means I'm leaving. Bye bye. That's the symbol. You can say Kalishu. Kalishu. So, first letter we learn is Ta Shi De Le. Tu Ji Chi. Ka Le Shu. So you can keep practicing starting from small word, and then keep adding on, keep learning your journey to learning Tibetan language. Thank you so much.